Fire at Avenida Ramón Cajal. It has been confirmed that a woman in her 70s has passed away in a fire at her own home on Thursday the 16th of March. The block of flats, with entrances on Calle Colón and Avenida Ramón Cajal, was the location of the incident. Locals were the first on the scene and entered the apartment with fire extinguishers. Firefighters received a call at 11:56 a.m. and arrived at the scene, where they found the woman's lifeless body inside the property. Local police assisted in cordoning off the area until the fire was controlled and extinguished. The Fuengirola town hall expressed its condolences for the residents' loss of life and announced an official day of mourning starting on Friday at 12 noon.